Have you ever thought about how amazing it would be to win the heart of someone you like in an easy way? Today, I'm going to share some secrets that the top experts in winning over girls use. And you know what's even better? These are tricks so simple that anyone can learn and use in their everyday life. Curious? Then come with me. Self-confidence. Imagine how great it is to be around someone who always seems sure of who they are, but without being over the top. That's confidence, and it's one of the things that attract the most attention. But don't confuse it with being arrogant, okay? Confidence is like a glow that comes from within when you feel good about yourself. Want to know the secret? It's simple. Know what you do best, accept what you can improve, and stay calm being yourself. When you're comfortable with who you are, people feel it and genuinely connect with you. Now, to show that confidence naturally, look into her eyes while talking. It shows interest and security. Stand tall but relaxed, without seeming like you're forcing it. Truly listen to what she has to say and show that you care. Remember, being confident means being kind to yourself and others without having to prove anything. That's the real charm. Sense of humor. Do you know what's magical about humor? It makes people feel closer and more comfortable, as if you've been friends for years. If you can make someone laugh, you're already one step ahead in creating a special connection. And look, you don't have to be the king of jokes, okay? The secret is to be light and natural. Play with the situations at hand, share funny stories, or laugh together about something that happened. Oh, and an important tip, use humor kindly. Don't joke about things that could hurt someone, alright? What matters is spreading smiles, not discomfort. So relax, let the conversation flow, and enjoy creating light and fun moments. Laughing together is always a good idea. Empathy. Do you know when you feel that someone truly understands what you're going through? That's empathy, and it's something very special. To win someone over for real, it's not just about talking, you need to know how to listen. Often, people just want someone who will listen with an open heart, without trying to fix everything. Doing that shows you genuinely care and value what they feel. Here are a few easy tips. Ask questions that show interest like, "How was that for you?" or "What did you think of this?" Show you're paying attention with a smile, a nod, or saying something like, "I understand how you feel." Never say something that belittles what they're sharing, like, "Oh, that's nothing." When you're empathetic, you create a connection that goes beyond words. It's like saying, "I'm here, you can count on me." Now that's something that truly captivates. Honesty. Imagine how great it is to be with someone you know is 100% genuine. That's what honesty does. It creates trust and makes everything lighter and real. You don't need to make up crazy stories to impress. Want to know what really captivates? Being yourself, with all your qualities and even the little things you still want to improve. It shows courage and authenticity. To be truly honest, remember, speak clearly and with respect, without fear of saying what you think. Admit when you're wrong and show that you're willing to learn. Be sincere with yourself about what you feel and want. Honesty is like an invisible bond that connects people. When you're genuine, it shines brighter than any facade. Kindness. Do you know that good feeling of being around someone who treats everyone with respect and care? That's kindness, and it never loses its shine. Being kind is not just about how you treat the people around you, but also how you act with others in general. Whether it's a waiter, a friend, or even someone you just met. Women notice these things, and it says a lot about who you truly are. Tips to be kind. Show respect in small gestures, like listening attentively or saying thank you. Treat everyone with consideration, without thinking about who deserves more. Be thoughtful, like holding a door or offering help when someone needs it. Kindness is a reflection of your character, and it has the power to win hearts without you needing to say a word. Being kind is unforgettable. Simple gestures, like paying attention to details she mentions or being polite, show that you value people. However, kindness is not a weakness, it's a conscious choice. Ambition. Do you know when you have that dream, like learning something new, traveling to an amazing place, or improving in something? Having ambition is exactly that, wanting to grow and improve in life, even if it's not about becoming a millionaire or being the best in the world. What's even cooler is when you talk about your dreams with a sparkle in your eyes, showing that you're ready to work hard to achieve them. That inspires people and shows that you have determination and passion. Emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence is like having a superpower that helps you understand and deal with your own feelings, as well as with the feelings of others. Imagine being upset because something didn't go right, but instead of yelling or getting angry, you manage to take a deep breath, think for a moment, and act calmly. That's knowing how to control your emotions. And when you notice someone around you is sad or nervous, you know how to respond kindly and supportively. This type of skill is very valuable because it shows that you have the maturity to handle tough situations without losing your cool, and that makes people respect and admire you even more. Being adventurous. Being adventurous doesn't mean you have to do extreme sports or take risks all the time. It's more about being open to new experiences, diving into new things, and being willing to step out of your comfort zone. It could be trying a new hobby, visiting a different place, or even learning something you never imagined. Being adventurous shows that you're flexible, curious, and enthusiastic about life, always ready to explore what the world has to offer. This is very attractive because those who have this spirit end up inspiring others to live in a more open and exciting way too. Emotional support. Being there for someone in both good times and bad is one of the most important things you can do for someone you care about. When you're a good partner, you support, motivate, and celebrate achievements together. But you're also there to give strength when things aren't going so well. Knowing how to listen to someone without judgment and understand how they feel creates a very special connection. This shows you truly care, and it makes the bond between you two even stronger because the person knows they can count on you for anything. Authenticity. Often, people try to be different just to please others, but that can be really tiring and in the end doesn't work. Being authentic means being yourself, exactly as you are, without trying to hide behind masks. When you are genuine, people notice and feel closer to you because the connection is more real and sincere. Showing who you truly are with all your qualities and even your imperfections makes you more valued because no one likes being around something or someone fake. Being authentic is like being a unique and special version of yourself, and that attracts people in a much more genuine way.